Azcocorp is offering a mini winding assembly that is capable of winding rolls of flexible tubing material into coils, which can then be individually packaged into a pouch. Mandrel pins can be rearranged on the turntable to fit the desired sizes of flexible tubing before operating the unit. Primary and secondary speeds and direction can manually be adjusted by turning the corresponding dials to control speed and direction. The coiling of tubing material can also be performed automatically by inputting the number of counts and adjusting the time on the numeric keypad. Tubing is placed between the pins to start the coiling process. To start the coiling process, the yellow cycle button is pressed. The mini winder can be changed from the auto coiling mode to a jog mode through the numeric keypad options. The added foot switch allows the operator to manually control the number of counts while the unit is coiling. Mandrel pins will lower and allow the operator to remove the tubing coil to be packaged. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.